educational purposes, the following animation contains graphic images of nudity and condom use. Viewer discretion is advised. A male condom is a thin sheath a man can wear on his erect penis during sex to prevent pregnancy. Using a condom can also reduce the risk of getting or spreading HIV or other sexually transmitted diseases, also known as STDs. A man's reproductive fluid, called semen, is produced by the following glands: the testicles, also called testes, the seminal vesicles, and the prostate gland. During vaginal sex between a man and a woman, semen passes out of the man's penis and into the woman's vagina in a process called ejaculation. Semen contains tens of millions of sperm. From the vagina, the sperm in the semen can travel to and fertilize an egg from the woman's body. Fertilization of the egg marks the beginning of human development. Condoms are sealed inside a plastic or foil package. Condoms made from latex, polyurethane, or polyisoprene also protect against HIV and STDs. Natural membrane or lambskin condoms do not provide protection from HIV or other STDs. Do not use the condom if the package is open, torn, dried out, or past its expiration date. To protect against pregnancy or STDs, put the condom on before the penis touches any area inside or outside the woman's vagina. A new condom should be used the entire time during vaginal, anal, or oral sex. To use a condom, carefully remove it from its package to avoid tearing it. A reservoir or space at the tip of the condom collects semen during ejaculation. Pinch the reservoir, or at least a half-inch space at the tip, to remove any air inside it. If the penis is uncircumcised, which means it still has foreskin, pull the foreskin back to expose the head or glands of the penis. If the penis is circumcised, the glands is already exposed because the foreskin has been removed. While still pinching the tip, place the condom over the glands and unroll it along the entire length of the penis. Use only water-based lubrication on latex condoms. Oil-based lubricants such as baby oil, petroleum jelly, or lotion can weaken latex condoms and cause them to break. Stop any type of sex if the condom breaks or tears. Remove the torn condom and replace it with a new one before continuing to have sex. After ejaculation, grip the condom at the base of the penis while it is still erect, and carefully withdraw it from the vagina so that semen doesn't spill out. Then remove the condom and throw it in the trash. Male condoms are about 98% effective at preventing pregnancy if used correctly each time you have sex. Condoms are about 82% effective with typical use, which means either you don't always use condoms or you don't use them correctly every time you have sex.
How to use a female condom. The femidom is a soft, thin, loose-fitting device that comes in various sizes. It has a flexible ring at both ends, with those of moderate sizes fitting most vaginas adequately. But how do you use it? To learn the proper steps, check out these tips on how to use a female condom. 1. Before actually using the condom, you should know both the benefits and disadvantages of using this device. Although it is easy to acquire, does not affect your hormonal levels, is not made of latex and is thus safe for those allergic to latex, and can be used a few hours before and even while urinating. It may irritate your private parts, such as the vulva, anus, vagina, or even your partner's penis. It may also be a bit tricky to insert, although it will stay in place even after the erection has subsided. Also, it can produce a louder sound during intercourse, although this may be mitigated with additional applications of lubricant. 2. After considering all pros and cons of the device, you should be able to finalize your decision. If you still are willing to go ahead and use it, make sure that you inspect the packaging of the female condom before opening it. This is so that you can ensure it has no leaks or signs of tampering. Also, you should check the product's expiration date and see that the package contains sufficient lubricant, which should be evenly distributed in the pack. 3. It is recommended that you practice using the femidom before you engage in intercourse. As such, you should get an extra piece you can practice with, as it can only be used once. Inserting the device will become easier with practice. 4. First, remove the condom carefully from its package, checking that it has no tears, holes, or other defects that may have been produced during manufacturing, handling, or storage. 5. Apply lubricant on the external portion of the femidom's closed end. If you want to make it a lot easier to insert the device, you can apply more lubricant. 6. Inserting the condom is similar to inserting a tampon in that there is no one correct position for doing so. Find the best and most comfortable position that works for you. You can consider lying down, squatting, or putting a foot up on top of a ledge. 7. Once you've found the best position for you, squeeze the sides of the condom's inner ring together, which should be similar to holding a pencil. You will need to grip the piece firmly as it will be slippery due to the lubricant. 8. Insert the condom inner ring first. Push it up gradually with your finger, which should be inserted inside the femidom. 9. Keep pushing the device through the inner ring until it reaches your cervix. Once there, it will naturally expand, and you won't notice it's there. However, if you can feel it inside you, then it means you were not able to insert it correctly. You will have to carefully pull it out again, squeeze and twist the outer ring before you do so, re-lubricate it, and reinsert it. 10. Once you've correctly inserted it, pull your finger out carefully, ensuring that the outer ring is hanging about 1 inch outside your vagina. If the piece hanging out is a bit too long, you'll need to check whether you've really inserted the inner ring properly. It's quite easy to learn how to use a female condom. However, don't forget to weigh the pros and cons of using it before you do so.